Hello, welcome to the vlog. We have yet another review for you. I know you're going, oh God, but we are excited about this one. This is the first ever solar generator that we have been sent that you can actually put two of them together. So this is the Vigorpool Captain 1200. It's got a 1200 watt output, but you can connect two of these units together to give you 2400 watt output.
So
now,
let's move this so I can actually read what it says on this box.
Okay. As you can see, I'm reading as I normally do from my crib sheet, but
well, you know, we normally show you things that you can plug into this. This actually tells you. So it does say hairdryer.
Yeah.
It does say an electric grill.
Yeah.
It does say coffee maker, a microwave.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see what that says. My eyes are terrible. It does say a washing machine. It does say fridge. It does say refrigerator, but you know, we shorten everything. It does say laptop. It does say home computer. So a camera. So it covers a lot, and it does say more.
Does say more.
Yes.
Obviously, so unboxing really, just to show you what's in the box.
So hold on then. So it's powered by normal electric then, by charging it.
Yeah.
But it can be powered by solar panels.
Yeah.
And
you can get optional 100, 200 and 400 watt panels to charge this with.
And what are these then? What's that little symbol mean?
So that's, you've got solar panels, and then you've got you can do it off of 12 volt.
Right.
So
okay, I'm just going to do this. Hold on a second.
So why?
So that goes. So just to give you some idea. All right.
Yeah.
Right. This is not a light thing.
No, it's not. It weighs, if you bear with me. So this 3,500 cycles charging.
3,500
cycles to 80%.
Well, you got some little man on a bike.
Some little man on a bike, yeah. With
I have no idea.
Lithium phosphate batteries. So,
there we go.
as I say, parallel cables, you can get 400, 200, 100 watt panels. But I think the best thing is for us to get it out of the box and have a look at it. And then from there...
Well, for us, we have a south-facing garden, so anything that's solar panels.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so what's in the box? What's in the box?
Oh, there's the user's guide.
User guide.
User's guide.
Accessories. You want to have a look, see what's in the accessories?
Oh, accessories. I quite like that shop.
Ooh. Okay, let's put that over there.
I know, Willie. You can't help yourself, can you?
So, in actual fact, outside of the box, let's get rid of that. Outside of the box, not as heavy. See, something else I've just seen I like straight away. This isn't as heavy as some of the others that we have reviewed, but
it's easy to carry because it's got those handles. Is that charging?
That's a charging point. So that's straight away for me is a massive win.
Okay.
So
one of these.
Yep.
So
which is the
plug-in.
Yeah. Which.
To the main.
Oh, there's the. So we'll have a good look around this in a minute.
Winnie, stop.
I should imagine that before we do anything with this, you won't be able to power it up. It will need to be plugged into charge to activate.
Ooh.
So that's what do we got? We've got. So that's your car charger.
Yes.
That's your car charger. Your other charging ports are here. So let's just tip this up.
It all feels good.
240, yeah.
That feels...
Reset button.
That's all I can say about it, to be honest.
Hot reset. Now the other thing with this is that there is an app. You can connect this to an app, so you can see what's going on. USB-A, USB-C with up to 100 watt output. So that's going to charge your MacBooks, your.
And if you have things like that,
Yeah.
how long will it last?
This is what we're going to find out.
Well, I've got to say, we had Christmas lights upstairs on the landing and down the stairs, didn't we?
Yeah, which we powered with another make.
We powered with
another make.
Oh, is it another make? Because the design is very similar.
Yeah, design is very similar. But what I like about this is this here. So this is where you can get the parallel cable to plug it into, so you can run two of these together to give you.
So we've got two sockets here.
Yeah.
Which we talked about some of the design. Sometimes the way that they're designed is if they're not just normal sockets of the chargers, they sometimes don't fit, do they? Because they're too long.
Yeah, it's got a bit of a.
So those two being side to side make that easier. And then where's the other? Is everything the other end?
Yeah, the other ending's the other end.
So you've got all this sides then.
Will this power up?
So is this got to be this?
Wow. Yes.
It's got to be this big.
Because of the batteries.
Right.
So there is 56% charging now. And I think what we need to do is charge this up, get it connected to the app, and then go from there. All right. So having a few problems trying to get this to actually connect to the app. Here's the app. I followed the instructions to the letter, and I have pushed the IoT reset. I am now searching for the device. It came up once. I put in all of the Wi-Fi codes, done everything it asked, and then it promptly cut out and couldn't find it. So eventually we have managed to connect it. I had to follow the instructions through because it timed out. It basically would not allow anything to happen. So I followed the instructions. It's a long, you have to do a long reset, which is what I've done. I'll show you the app. Let's see if I can just turn it off a minute, see if that cuts down a bit of glare. There we go. So here's the app. More features. I'm not sure what we can do. Screen timeout, device timeout, slow charge off, brightness, check for updates. No updates, and that's good. So yeah, I mean, compared to some of the other things on the market, you probably not as much, but what I do like is you can do slow charge. Let's just see what happens if we switch on the slow charge. So it's dropping to 200 watts. I don't know if you can actually see that, but it's dropping to 200 watts input, whereas on fast charge we are at 800 watts. So for some reason we've got a 4 watt output. Wireless charging is activated, which I do like. Flashlight on, flashlight off. There we go. Ambient, left, right, all lights strong. That's, yeah. We can have the left light or the right light, all lights, or ambient, or we can turn it off. Wireless charging on the top, that's where the 4 watts are being drawn from. So if we switch that off, I'm assuming that will drop. No, USB is on as well, so we can turn that off.
Are you still struggling?
We are connected, which is good.
Okay.
Charging time 35 minutes.
Did you have to read the instructions?
I did have to read the instructions, but there you go. So, and I wonder if we can name it. Enter the modified name. So we'll just call it the Captain 1200. There we go. Brilliant stuff. Right, we're back now. Lisa was going to join me for this bit, but unfortunately time's gone by and work has taken over. So the Vigorpool, we've unboxed it, we've shown you what it's all about. What can it do? So I have now fully charged this, and you've seen it connected to the actual app. What will it run? So we'll start off with a little 500 watt ceramic heater. Now these are absolutely ideal for camper vans because they pull very little power. So here we go. So we've got 60 hours there. It's saying we are switched on, and this is the first. That is 500 watts. A little bit over, putting a little bit over, but it's a ceramic heater and it appears to be doing fairly well. So let's knock it up to the next one. That's 700. Yeah, that would if you had that in a something like a T5, T6 small van conversion, very similar to what we've got, that will warm that up very quickly. So right, that's a pass. Let's try a slightly bigger heater. Let's turn this off. Try a slightly bigger heater. Okay, slightly bigger heater. This one, I believe, is a 600 and 1,000. So let's turn it on. That's just blowing cold. I believe this goes straight to, so it's low. So on low setting, that's 300, 400, 500, 600. Again, ceramic heater. This does oscillate, this one. So that's putting 600. Let's see what happens when it goes up to high. That's 1,000, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004. Still going quite happily. Yeah. That is a lot warmer. That one is definitely a lot warmer. So yeah, a heater that will heat a bigger camper van, motorhome, boat. That's gonna, yeah, very good, very good. Okay, let's turn this off. Oh, we've got a bit of a countdown. So it counts down for 30 seconds because being a ceramic heater, I should imagine it does something to the plates if not. So that's counting down. Let's come back and let's put some iPads on charge and see. We'll get a hairdryer, see what it does with the pool on a hairdryer. Okay, hairdryer. Now this is the thing that normally kills these things. So if I remember correctly, the first, so that's 400, so 500 watt. Let's turn it up one. Or 900. Oh, that's a lot hotter. Yeah, that's a lot hotter. It's still not actually cutting out, which is good. I'm frightened to put it up to the next one. Let's see what this does. It's 1200. It's reduced the amperage, the wattage, but it is going. Wow, it is definitely going. That's impressive. We've tested other models where it's just knocked this straight out. That is very impressive, because other models we have tested with this capacity have just tripped straight out. So brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Okay, let's try a couple of iPads. Okay, not a terrible lot of room. So at the moment we're still pulling 16 amps because I've still got the inverter switched on. Let's power on the USBs. And 45, so that one is charging 72. So 100-watt chargers. Brilliant. Absolutely no problem whatsoever. All good so far. What else can we throw into the mix? Okay, something else this will do is your uninterrupted power supply. So if you've got this connected to a computer and plugged into the mains like I have at the moment, not an ideal way of doing it because I've had to drag the lead across. But if we switch this on, we will be working, we'll be actually drawing the power from the mains and bypassing the actual power station. Should that power supply be interrupted, then this will take over and there should be no noticeable difference in the drop. So let's power this on. There we go. Now, I'm going to unplug this. He says, drop, there you go. No, not even a, didn't even falter. And now you can see 2 hours left. Amazing or what? Absolutely amazing. Brilliant. Right, what have I got to say about this? Is probably one of the best ones we've tested so far. It's one of the higher amperage ones that we've tested so far. You know, that's not to say that the ones that we have tested haven't been any good. They're just not as high a capacity as this. This has been perfect. Absolutely perfect. I like all the offers. I like the control on the app. I like the fact that if you've got this connected to your computer, you have your power goes out, this will take over. You won't notice. Your computer will keep running. So absolutely brilliant. Amazing bit of kit. We give it a massive thumbs up, and we've really enjoyed reviewing it. But we will be keeping this one, and we will be using this while we are out and about. So if you've enjoyed this video, if it's been helpful, give us the thumbs up, leave us a comment, tell us what you think. Do you have one? Let us know, and ring the bell for notifications. Hopefully, touch wood, we'll be reviewing their new model, which is out the end of April, which is a much bigger capacity, and we've got a few tricks up our sleeve for that, things that we can test that will take a higher load. One of them, hopefully, will be charging an electric car. So anyway, bye for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon.